Hannah is listening to the radio. There's a story in the news about fast food brand KFC, which has temporarily suspended its famous "It's finger licking good" tagline because it's unhygienic to tell people to lick their fingers in a pandemic. They've done this after concerns were raised about the slogan being included in a new advert in the UK and South Africa, and responded quickly to make the change. Then it announces a series of temporary name changes in the UK and Ireland, including the pretty clever "It's forking good" as part of a campaign where the top choices were voted for by the public. Next, KFC launches a fun social campaign borrowing other brands' slogans as a replacement for finger licking good. Hannah Googles the campaign and sees that it's had tons of coverage. KFC has turned the story into an opportunity. Hannah sends a link to her friend Stella. Stella gets the message. She's impressed. She logs into Twitter and tweets, "Genius campaign by KFC, pivoting its brand messaging for the pandemic." Around the world, more and more people are seeing, hearing, writing about, sharing, and searching for the KFC story at the same time. It's gone viral. We don't just see that in social, it happens in search too. Google recognises this increased amount of online activity as a signal that the story is popular and automatically changes its results page to show content about the campaign. This is the first proof point of the success of your work. You have engaged your audience and encouraged them to take action by searching for your campaign. Google's auto-suggest feature, which are the results that automatically appear when you type a word or phrase into the Google search box, also start to suggest lots of different phrases relating to KFC's name change. They work based on popularity, similarity, or if something is trending. If you're reporting a campaign back to your boss or a client and keywords connected to your activity appear in Google suggestions, include this as a simple indicator of success. To add an extra metric, you can also measure how long the story stays in the top suggestions. It's there because people are searching for it online, which means they must be interested in it. Think about how people might seek information about the campaign. Search around its theme rather than just using its official name. AnswerThePublic is a tool that listens to all the autocomplete data from search engines like Google and then quickly cranks out all of the searches people have performed around a keyword, saving you loads of time in having to do it manually in Google. Search for your brand or product in AnswerThePublic and pull out the key phrases relating to your campaign from the results. The branches give the same information as Google's autocomplete data, but use connecting words to expand your search, giving you hundreds of suggestions rather than the maximum of 10 that Google suggests. And then send them to your boss or client like this. And a quick search on Google Trends, a free tool that helps you visualize trending search behavior, also shows that interest in KFC peaked when news of the story broke during the public vote for a new slogan, and again when the social campaign activated. Google Trends is anonymized, so no one is personally identified, categorized, which means it determines the topic for a search query, and aggregated or grouped together. So remember, search data is free and you can use it to get instant access to insights about the success of your campaign and growing brand awareness using these three simple tools: Google's auto-suggestions, AnswerThePublic, and Google Trends. Don't forget to add all of these new search listening metrics into your PR report and coverage book alongside your usual PR metrics. Check out answerthepublic.com/for/public-relations for more information.